Hello everyone, this is Swapnanjali Thorgule, Assistant Professor from Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering and Innovation, Varade campus. I am explaining you about 80386 microprocessor in brief. Let's get introduced about our course and syllabus. So here very first we will get know about the brief history of Intel processor, then we will see its features, architecture, its programmer models, then we will see operating modes, its addressing modes and its data types. So let us start. The Intel 80386 microprocessor represents one of the first 32-bit microprocessor in the world. It was introduced by Intel in 1985 and became an important component for personal computers, workstations, and servers during the late of 1980s and 1990s. The 80386 brought several improvements over its predecessors, especially in terms of its architecture, processing power, and ability to handle more complex tasks. Now, we will see the features. The first feature, the 80386DX is a 32-bit microprocessor, which means it can process 32-bit data and addresses at a time. Second feature, it has 8 general purpose 32-bit registers. It can operate on clock frequency 12 MHz to 33 MHz. The processor can address up to 4 GB of physical memory and 64 TB of virtual memory. Next feature, separate pins are available for address and data bus, results in high speed and performance. It has 3 modes of operations: real address mode, virtual mode, protected virtual mode. It is compatible with 8086, 8088, 80186, 80286 architecture. It can operate on different data types like bits, byte, word, double word, quad word, offset, pointer, character, string, BCD, etc. It offers 3-stage pipeline to fetch, decode and execute. So the average execution time has been significantly reduced. It allows user to switch between different OS such as DOS and Unix. The number of transistors used in this is 275,000. Next, we will see the architecture of 80386. So here is the block diagram of architecture. You can see it is made up of blocks like first bus interface unit, execution unit, ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, instruction pipeline, memory management unit, clock and control unit, and registers. 8 general purpose 32-bit registers are used in this microprocessor. Next, we will see the operating modes of 80386. The first is real mode, protected mode, virtual 8086 mode. Then we will see the addressing modes. The first is immediate addressing, register addressing, direct addressing, indirect addressing, based addressing, indexed addressing, based index addressing, relative addressing, register indirect with displacement. Now we will see the data types of 80386. We can see the diagram. The first, it is a byte. It is made up of 8 bits, which is the smallest data unit used for characters or flags. Second is word. It is made up of 16 bit. Then double word, quad word, floating points. Then pointers and addresses. 32-bit pointers for addressing memory in both segmented and flat models. Also, the last data type is string. It's sequences of bytes representing text or data manipulated with specific instructions. So here we will conclude our introduction part of 80386 microprocessor. If you are having any question, any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. The 80386 microprocessor was a monumental step in the evolution of computing, paving the way for modern operating system applications and computer hardware. Its support for 32-bit operations, virtual memory, multitasking, and memory protection made it a powerful tool for both consumers and professionals alike. Understanding its architecture and capabilities gives insight into the evolution of processor and their impact on the computing world. Here we will conclude our session. Thank you everyone.